Since 2022, Dependable Dumpster Service LLC has been taking the stress out of the mess in Lancaster and the surrounding areas. We pride ourselves on our philosophy. We take the trash that others won't. Licensed, fully insured, and with a solid reputation for reliability, professionalism, and value, we offer a range of services designed to free you from the clutter. Worried about the process? Don't be. Our simple three-step process ensures a hassle-free experience. First, make your appointment by calling or completing our online form. Second, we arrive on time, no waiting around. And third, just point and it's gone. We promptly remove the dumpster when the job is done, and we guarantee 100% happiness. Now, if you want a quick and easy quote for junk removal, follow these steps. Take pictures of the unwanted junk, send them to 803-246-3024, and we'll send you an estimate. All estimates are subject to change, but we provide free, no-obligation upfront quotes on the day of service, so you know exactly what your project will cost before we begin. No matter your junk situation, we've got you covered. Our friendly, professional team can handle everything from appliance removal to complete hoarding cleanouts, commercial junk removal, and construction debris cleanup. Dependable dumpster service, taking what the other junk removal companies won't. So there you have it, folks. Dependable Dumpster Service, your reliable partner in reclaiming your spaces and life in Lancaster, South Carolina, and the surrounding communities. If you're tired of the clutter, give us a call, and let's make your mess disappear.